Oh my god, we're looking at the XD.45.
What about a hit of your love?
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be looking at the XD.45. The XD.45 is an automatic pistol with moderate damage. It has 19 rounds in the mag and costs only $600. The advantages of this gun is it's got fast fire rate and it's cheap at only $600 in defuse. Like any other gun, it's got disadvantages too. The bullets spread at long range shooting, and it's inaccurate at mid-far range. It's got very low damage per round, but the recoil isn't that hard to control. Through the wastelands, through the highways. Guys, you gotta give this gun props though. It's an overall cool gun to use. It's really comfortable, and it's overall second strongest secondary weapon in this game. Wastelands, through the highways, and on. Guys, I'd like to take this chance to actually say thank you for all my subscribers that have helped and support me through my channel. Nearly at 50 subscribers. Please help, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.